My name is Kiran. I live in Shelu. I'm 22 years old. After completing my graduation, I'm looking forward for the course of Mechanical Draftsman with AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So I have taken suggestion from my friends to visit any institute for that. So one of my friends has given me the advice for visiting Mangalmurthy Institute. So I have come here, I have taken a conversation with the concerned ma'am. Really it was a great experience, and the ma'am tell me in the details that what is the course about and what is Mangalmurthy Institute is about. So yeah, it was a nice, pleasant time with the ma'am, and we have a great conversation. It took almost 3 months to complete my course. It was been a nice experience that I ever had. The teachers over here, the staffs over here are really so much helpful and coordinated and cooperative that whenever I have any doubt, they never refuse to step back. They always come in the front, and they try to guide me. So yeah, really it's for good and a wonderful thoughts and education that I ever had from here. It was really a great experience. So my friends, I would like suggest to all you, if you want to do some course and if you have to take any grateful guidance, so kindly visit Mangalmurthy Institute for that. Thank you.